What is going on, guys? This is Student Investor. In today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about my Apple call options that I purchased a while back, maybe about 5 months ago, 6 months ago. I purchased some Apple call option leap options. I spent 5 grand on them, and they have been performing extremely well, actually better than I've expected. And it's kind of crazy to think that I have 2 years on these contracts. But if you haven't heard the news, or if you haven't been following, Apple has basically confirmed that they are back into their Apple Car. They are focusing on developing software to enable a self-driving car. And for this reason, I believe Apple is running up substantially, and it's actually broke its record highs as of today. The time is now 9:44 a.m. and we are in November 22nd, and Apple itself it's past its 52-week high, and it is a record high for Apple today. A very good day if you're an Apple owner. As you can see right here, its 52-week high is $163.48 as it stands. The day just started. The market just opened exactly 14 minutes ago, and I just got back from work. And I looked at well, I didn't even mean to look at my portfolio. I got a notification on my phone and said that Apple broke new record highs, and I checked my options, and they're doing incredible, as I'd hope, because I've done the research for Apple. And guys, it's really time that you start paying attention. I mean, if you've been following me and you're just a viewer and you've been on the fence about subscribing, please go and subscribe, because this is proof as to my philosophy behind money and the reason why I invest my money. As you could see, I do what I say, and I record myself basically investing, and I go through the step-by-step process of my thought process before I even go and purchase a stock, or act upon the decisions I decide to make in terms of research analysis, stock analysis, and things like that. But I encourage you to watch this video on screen, 5 grand on Leap options on Apple, and why. Because in this video I explain things like why I'm investing 5 grand, and that 5 grand is in the options that I have today that are now valued at $40.68 per contract, and I bought 3 of them, 3 contracts. It's just crazy. Like, I mentioned the Apple Car in this video. I mentioned the chip shortage and things like that. And, it really goes to show that if you put time and research and the effort into investing, it could really pay off handsomely. As you could see on screen, we are back for maybe the third or second update that I've done on my Apple call options. You could see my expiration dates. It's a Leap option, so this option has ample enough time to grow, of course, and Apple is just doing incredible today, and I could imagine what it could do in the future. And we are already at an 118% gain from when I've last bought these contracts in May. So when I purchased these contracts, per contract I spent $18.60, and because each contract basically is equivalent to owning 100 shares of Apple, you would times 18 plus 1860 cents times 100, which would leave you at $1,860 per contract. And I spent exactly I spent exactly $5,580 to purchase all 3 contracts, which those contracts today, just for one contract, is value at $4,063. If you want to purchase this very same contract that I have with the same expiration date, same expiry, it's going to cost you now basically 4 times what it cost me. And that's because options are leveraged, and it's a leveraged asset. So for every dollar I make, I pretty much make 4 times that amount. No, for every dollar I make, it's something crazy. Like, I think I make $400 or something per every dollar that Apple goes up, which is incredible. I'm already far past the break even price of this contract. This break even contract is the break even price of this contract is $153, and that is exactly the price that it would have to be at for me to not gain money or for me to not lose money. And it's just incredible, guys. I'm just making this video to urge you guys, if you're a viewer, to subscribe, because I really put in the time and the effort to make quality content, and I believe it's coming to light. You know, I'm 22 years old now, and imagine what I could do in 20 more years when I want to retire at 45 or 50. Who knows? Hopefully the economy doesn't completely cave in on itself, but it doesn't look to be that way. It looks like the market is responding very positively to things. Of course, the market isn't the economy. That is a common misconception. But when the market performs, if you are a participant in the market, then you're going to be very, very happy. So with that being said, guys, it's a very short video. Just a nice little update for you that I'm up $6,639 for today. And of course, this is a monthly update. So maybe I'll check back in December if it does anything crazy. If I don't make a video in December, then just didn't do anything crazy. Or then, but Apple is on the right trajectory, and in fact, it's growing a lot faster than I thought it'd be growing. And I'm very happy for the decision, because that was a hell of a decision. I mean, I was at the right place at the right time. But opportunities like this come in the market all the time, which is why you really have to put in the time and you really have to put in the work to learn investing. And if you guys want to learn investing, you guys are at the right place. So please subscribe, like, and comment on the video if you guys are performing very, very well in the market, or if you guys purchased an Apple contract recently and how you think that's going to go for you. It's the end of this video, guys. I have merch in the description, so if you want to support me directly, I will highly appreciate it if you bought one of my t-shirts. I'm signing off. Stay invested, stay smart, make your money, make good plays, and retire early, guys.